Hello friends, today I have laptop HP. Okay, this laptop problem is customer is say laptop is power on but no display. Okay, see now I turn on machine. See, machine is turn on. Okay, now I connect this HDMI port to my display. Okay, my monitor. Okay, I change. So see. Okay, HDMI is coming, but this laptop internal display not respond. Okay, no backlight power on, no any variation. Okay, we can start this motherboard diagnostic. I will back to video after uh, get the motherboard from the casing. Okay. Okay friends, I remove this motherboard from the casing. See, this motherboard have lot of corrosion and dust. Okay, all area have. Okay, see another side. See display connector. See many corrosion. Okay, this is a soul dust. Okay, this customer is in near to sea. Okay, in sea air have soul, is soul dust. Okay. Okay, firstly I clean this board and check diagnostic. Okay friends, after I get this motherboard cleaning and I remove display from the motherboard. Okay, this is the display, you can see. Okay, and it's a motherboard. Okay, now I do one thing. Okay, turn it on. Machine is turn is on. See what happened. See, now display is come. Okay, what is this machine problem? Okay, this machine main problem is dust. Okay, why dust? Reason for no display. See, in this area in motherboard. Okay, display in this motherboard. Okay, see this one. What is this? Is a lid switch. Okay, after I clean this all area dust, before I think this lead switch have leakage. It means this lead switch have two pins. Okay, input and output. Okay, in leakage mean one pin is ground. Okay, input pin voltage is grounded by lead switch from this magnet switch. Okay, magnet is to touch this area by magnet. This input voltage ground from this lead switch. Okay, it is the reason. If I before cleaning this motherboard, this area have many dust. Okay. It dust is this leakage this voltage. Okay, it mean this laptop not produce this off has signal. It mean display off has signal. Okay, this reason this motherboard have no display. Okay, I think this video is very helpful to everyone. Thanks for watching this video. We can meet with another video. Okay, bye bye.